When I came across Chad, I was looking to scale my business, and I had a lot of frustration on content creation, and Chad showed me a better way to reach more people and grow and scale. What I didn't know was the foundations to content creation to build an actual scalable business. And Chad provided a framework and a foundation to be able to grow and scale so that I can expand beyond the one-on-one. I came across Chad at an event that we both had attended, and we were in a breakout room together. From his personality and his service mentality, he was somebody that I wanted to align with. I decided that he was a coach I wanted to work with. By working with Chad, he provided a framework and an outline that I could learn the foundational aspects of business building. Apart from the service side, the business side was a piece that I was missing, and Chad provided a framework that I was able to work within to learn and understand and able to actually grow my business. Some of the greatest benefits I've received by working with Chad are 20 years of wisdom, so I didn't have to learn the mistakes myself. Chad's been down the road, and he's willing to turn his hand around and help pull others along so that they can benefit from his trial and error and grow exponentially more than I would have having to figure it out on my own. The thing that I really am most happy about working with Chad is the ability to connect with him. He doesn't just have a program out there and say, hey, go do this on yourself and I'll see you at the end of the road. He's available if I have a struggle or a pain point or something that I'm not quite understanding to resolve my issue and help me move past my obstacle. Having worked with many other coaches, I know various styles, and Chad is by far the most hands-on, hey, let me show you instead of tell you type of coach, and very service-oriented. He's more concerned about helping you actually develop your process and your program than he is worried about, his own process or program. Chad is unlike any other coach that I've ever experienced in my 30 years in the industry. The thing that surprised me the most about working with Chad was he's not fake, he's not phony, he's not trying to pretend to be somebody that he's not. You would never see him flashing the cash and the mansion and the cars, but you see him give of his heart. And that really surprised me for someone who's as successful as Chad is, to be as humble as he is in this industry. If you're considering working with Chad but not quite sure, I would say book a simple connection call with Chad. Let him show you through the various conversation that you're going to have with him whether he's right for you. He'll answer any of your questions, set you on a path that even if you choose not to work with him is going to be good for you. I think you'll connect, and I think you'll find the true guidance that you're looking for in a coach. The thing that's exceeded my expectations has just been his genuine time. He really truly cares about his clients. He wants all people to experience their own level of success, whatever that is for them. It's really shocking in this industry to still see that, especially for someone who's been doing it for as long as Chad has. I'm shocked that people like Chad still exist, and I'm thankful for it. Most people who are searching for coaches are searching for the basics and the essence of how to get their story and their message out. Chad is one of the best at bringing out your best. If you don't at least have a conversation with Chad, you truly are missing your best potential. I've worked with a lot of various coaches, and I've paid tens of thousands of dollars of money I didn't have, of a rate of return I'll never see, and a value I didn't get, all because they sold me the dream. I would take all of that money, tens of thousands of dollars, if I would have met Chad first and easily handed it to him, because My rate of return in just 6 months has been exponential to the value that he's provided.